पुण्यातील रेसिडेन्सी क्लब येथे औद्योगिक ग्राहक संमेलन नुकतेच पार पडले। या संमेलनाला साखर कारखाने, खाद्य मोटार इन्स्टिट्यूशन्सच्या खास मान्यवरांनी उपस्थिती लाभली। सर्व औद्योगिक क्षेत्रातून सुमारे 40 लोकांनी या संमेलनाला उपस्थिती लावली होती। इऑन एक्सचेंज यांच्या वतीने या संमेलनाचे आयोजन करण्यात आले होते। पाणी सुरक्षेसाठी नियोजन करणे, उदयोन्मुख प्रवृत्ती आणि तंत्रज्ञानाचा वापर, कचरा व्यवस्थापन, एकूण जल व्यवस्थापन समाधानासाठी मूल्यवर्धित सेवा प्रदान यांसारख्या महत्त्वपूर्ण विषयावर इऑन एक्सचेंजचे कार्यकारी उपप्रमुख दिनेश सदाशिवन यांनी मार्गदर्शन केले। तसेच स्लाइड शो प्रेझेंटेशनद्वारे यावेळी अधिक माहिती देखील देण्यात आली।
How critical is water today for industry?
I think water is the most critical element in the industry today because most industries use water for their process and utilities. And today there is no free supply of water. In fact, water itself is becoming scarce, and where water is available, the costs are rising, and therefore industry is having problem of getting fresh water. So water finally is a very critical element for the industry.
And second, sir, how Ion Exchange is helping industry to treat water?
Ion Exchange is a 53 years old company, pioneered water treatment into the country, and right from day one Ion Exchange has been bringing in new technologies ahead of time in the country, has been investing a lot in establishing the technology and taking it to the industry specific industries, not in general, and helping them resolve their issues. We work across industries and institutions. We also have verticals specifically for each industry, where the verticals work with the industries to know that specific industry demand and then offer solutions which will take care of the requirement of that specific industry.
In today's scenario, what role Ion Exchange Service is planning to support customer?
Ion Exchange Service as a dedicated entity was established way back in 1986. So we are already more than 3 decades into the service industry. This was a very clear vision which the company had, that service would be the differentiating factor of the future. So Ion Exchange, through its very vast organized service network, ensures that the response to the customer, whichever location it is there. We have branch offices, then we have territory engineers who are spread across the country where the industries are spread, and we ensure that our people are in touch with the industry. They call on the customer whether they have an Ion Exchange plant or of a competitor make. They ensure that their after-sales service in terms of services, spares, consumables are all met with. So I would say in terms of service, we are far ahead of others, and I would also say that we are the only organized, branded service network across the country.
And lastly, we would like to know here from you about Ion Exchange India's role in current and future for water industry in India and abroad.
As I told you, we in the current scenario, we are already associated with all the industries and institutions across the country and across the world to offer solutions. But what is more important is our steps being taken for the future. Innovation is something which Ion Exchange has always believed in, to bring in the technologies for the future, to bring in advanced technologies from abroad and pilot it here and be the first to take it to the industry and ensure that those changes which would be modern, which would be having a lower footprint, whether in terms of energy or in terms of fuel power, all those optimal solutions in today's times is something which Ion Exchange has been bringing into the country and will continue to do so. The shift also is taking place from the past to the present and future would be from water treatment more into wastewater, leading to reuse of water, leading to zero liquid discharge. So in this area we are already ahead. We have our focus into the wastewater and the environment field has been there in the last decade, and we are very well placed to take care of the wastewater requirements and the customers' need for reusing water and the norms which are being implemented in terms of zero liquid discharge. So all these technologies are with us, so that's why we say we are in the total environment space today, and we would continue to bring in technologies to ensure that we always remain ahead of time. Thank you. Thank you.